हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू सौरभ क्लासेस। मेरा नाम अश्मिता है और आज के क्लास में हम लोग बॉर्डर रोड्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट इज BRO के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन करेंगे। इसके अंदर जो रिक्रूटमेंट होता है, कौन से पोस्ट्स के लिए कैसा रिक्रूटमेंट होता है, लाइक एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है, पैटर्न कैसा है, सिलेबस कैसा है, इसी को लेके आज का क्लास होगा। So, Border Roads Organization, that is the BRO, has recently announced and invited online applications from the eligible candidates for the posts of multi-skilled worker, that is driver, engine, static, and various other posts. The total number of vacancies for these posts were counted to be 627 posts around, and many interested and eligible candidates have already applied for these posts online, and the process of online application for this year it's already over, so we are aiming for the next year. Normally इसका जो form fill up का time होता है ये February से start होता है, so you should be focusing on the next year's examination, which is going to start in the month of February. मोस्टली एग्जाम होता है फॉर स्टोर कीपर एंड फॉर मल्टी स्किल्ड वर्कर। तो इसमें जो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस होता है उसमें बहुत सारे स्टेजेस होता है। उसमें होता है, इंक्लूड करता है फिजिकल टेस्ट, प्रैक्टिकल टेस्ट, रिटन टेस्ट, मेडिकल टेस्ट। और सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस में आपका फिजिकल टेस्ट तो होता ही है, प्रैक्टिकल टेस्ट में ट्रेड, जिसको हम ट्रेड टेस्ट भी कहते हैं, वो तो बिल्कुल कंपल्सरी है। रिटन टेस्ट भी होता है एंड एज प्लस एक्सपीरियंस भी आपका देखा जाता है, प्लस मेडिकली कुछ स्टैंडर्ड्स है जो आपको फुलफिल करना है। इफ यू कैन फुलफिल दैट, दैट्स योर लास्ट सिलेक्शन स्टेज। एग्जाम पैटर्न के बारे में डिस्कशन करते हैं। द क्वेश्चंस विल बी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप, or it may be of subjective type or objective type and subjective type both, and it is likely to include questions pertaining to general knowledge, that's GK, then English, general English, then general Hindi. You can choose general English or general Hindi. Then general arithmetic, analytical and quantitative skills, that is normally these subjects will have questions from 12th standard as well as graduation standard included. So it depends on the post you are applying, it depends on that. Each post you are applying for, whatever post you are applying for, each has its own eligibility criteria. Okay, so it's not possible to cover so many posts eligibility criteria in the form of this video because it will get very long. So it's better that you go over to the official website of this examination and check the eligibility criteria while you are applying for the next examination. Now it's just not required for you to check it because last moment में कुछ ना कुछ modify जरूर हो जाएगा. Now coming back to the exam pattern, the question paper will be bilingual as I have mentioned. Normally ये English में भी होता है और हिंदी में भी होता है. Now the duration of the examination may vary from 1 hour to 3 hours depending upon the trade. And the objective type questions will be like OMR based, that is you have to circle the correct option, and the subjective questions have to be answered in the answer script. And the passing marks for unreserved, EWS and OBC category is 50% and for the SC/ST category it's 40%. अभी हम लोग डिटेल्स में सिलेबस के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे क्योंकि सिलेबस बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। कोई भी एग्जामिनेशन आप देने जाएंगे विदाउट सिलेबस, विदाउट नोइंग द सिलेबस, हाउ विल यू स्टार्ट फॉर प्रिपरेशन? सो सिलेबस जानना बहुत ही मैंडेटरी है एंड यू शुड बी नोइंग द लेटेस्ट सिलेबस फ्रॉम द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट इटसेल्फ। ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट आप लोग रेगुलरली चेक करें क्योंकि कुछ भी चेंजेस हो सकता है, कुछ भी मॉडिफाई हो सकता है। सो डू चेक द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट नाउ एंड देन। सो पहले हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे विद द फर्स्ट पोस्ट, दैट्स ड्रॉट्समैन पोस्ट, एंड यहाँ पे आप लोगों को रिटन टेस्ट देना पड़ेगा। क्वेश्चंस विल कम फ्रॉम सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स, देन मेंसुरेशन, देन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग, ड्राइंग, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, देन जीके, एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज विल कंसिस्ट ऑफ 100 मार्क्स। नेक्स्ट जो पोस्ट है वो है सुपरवाइजर स्टोर का पोस्ट, एंड यहाँ पे आप लोगों को क्वेश्चंस मिल सकता है फ्रॉम अकाउंटिंग ऑफ स्टोर्स इंक्लूडिंग इन्वेंटरी कंट्रोल प्रोसीजर, देन स्टोरेज एंड प्रिकॉशंस ऑफ स्टोर्स इंक्लूडिंग फायर प्रोटेक्शन और फाइटिंग और स्टॉक वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ स्टोर्स और मेंटेनेंस ऑफ अ स्टॉक लेजर, सिक्योरिटी ऑफ स्टोर्स, questions on arithmetic, then general knowledge, and once again all these topics questions will have a summation of 100 marks. नेक्स्ट जो पोस्ट है वो है रेडियो मैकेनिक का पोस्ट, एंड हियर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट क्वेश्चंस ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट्स, operation and maintenance of wireless equipments, then operation of switchboard up to 10 lines, then charging and operation of batteries, then principles of radio mechanism, then knowledge of Morse code, then GK. So GK is almost common in every post, and once again all these will come to a summation of 100 marks. Next we are going to discuss about the syllabus for lab assistant, and you are getting questions on microscope and microscopic organisms, then a classification of disease and its root, effects, sources, spreading of the infections, then identification of bacteria, spreading of infections and destruction of bacteria, procurement and management of lab equipments, then types of hospital waste and its disposal, then different types of urinary analysis, then testing blood for various diseases. Once again, all these will carry 100 marks. Next, we are going to discuss about multi-skilled worker, that's mason, and here you're going to get questions on concrete and concrete mixing, then brick stone masonry works, then pier and arches, different types of floors, then pointing, different types of cement, then mortar and its use, plastering, then use of staging and shuttering, then GK. So all these will once again come to 100 marks. Next, we are going to discuss about multi-skilled worker, driver engine static. And here you are going to get questions based on operation of static engine, then generator set, concrete mixers, then checking of faults and maintenance of static engines, then generator set, concrete mixers, then use of fuels, oils or lubricants in static engines, and general knowledge once again. Once again, all these will come to a summation of 100 marks. Next, we are going to talk about the storekeeper post, that's technical. Here you are going to get questions based on accounting of stores, then receipt, inspection and preservation of stores, then storage and precautions of stores, including fire protection or fighting or stock verification of stores, packing and preparation for dispatch of stores, then maintenance of stock ledger, security of stores, question on arithmetic, then general knowledge, and so on. And once again, all these will come to a summation of 100 marks. Let's talk about the physical and the trade test. And here the first trade which we are going to discuss about, it's draughtsman. And here there's no required percentage which is set to qualify. Here you have to run for 1 mile, and the maximum time to qualify for this round is 10 minutes. We are going to talk about the supervisor store post, and here you have to once again follow the same rule. 10 minutes will be given to qualify for this part, and you have to run 1 mile. Next is radio mechanic. Here also same rule applies. Next is lab assistant, and here also you have the same rule, that is you have to run 1 mile within 10 minutes. This other part also which you have to qualify to get the post, that's identification of lab equipments and instruments, then sample collection, transport and preservation, then lab testing, and all these will come to a total of 25 marks. Next we are going to discuss about multi-skilled worker, that's mason, and once again 1 mile you have to complete in 10 minutes. And here once again we are going to discuss about the other part which you have to qualify, that's brick masonry you have to be acquainted with, then stone masonry, then mixing mortar as per proportion, then use of vibrators, erecting knowledge of shuttering, then curing procedure, and all these will once again come to 25 marks. Next we are going to talk about multi-skilled worker, driver engine static, and here also same thing applies, 10 minutes 1 mile. And here you have to identify the engine parts of static machines or engines, I must say, and identification of oils or lubricants, or identification of tools, equipments, and so on. Next, the final one which we are going to discuss is about storekeeper technical, and once again you have to follow the same thing, that 10 minutes 1 mile, and that's enough for becoming storekeeper technical for this particular post. So if you want to get enrolled in any of these posts, you need a proper guidance, and ये proper guidance आपको एक mentor, एक coach ही provide कर सकते हैं. हम सौरभ सर क्लासेस में वो मेंटर, वो कोच आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे। हम यहाँ पे सॉल्व स्टडी मटेरियल्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे, प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर्स सॉल्व करेंगे। हमारे यहाँ पे जो टीचिंग फैकल्टी है वो बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस है, और आप ही जैसे कैंडिडेट्स को हम लोग सभी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए और सभी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए कोचिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं, एंड वी हैव गॉट द रिजल्ट्स ऑल्सो। We provide you with doubt clearing classes, live classes, recorded classes, then access to the portal, which is 24/7 access. Then there's numerous video lectures which you can watch on the topics which are there in the examination, and we also provide you with crash course facilities, scholarship facilities, mock test facilities. So do check our description box for getting the details about our institution and about the courses that we teach. You can also visit Saurabh Sir's Classes website for knowing more about our classes. You will get our study materials solved. We solve the unsolved papers, sample papers, previous year's question papers. We discuss all the last minute suggestion questions and related questions that can come in the current year examination. If you want to join our classes, do check the description box below. You will get the contact number. Do contact us and enroll yourself to get the features. So that was all for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.